Do you know that you could make over $1,000 monthly on Instagram? In this video, I will show you a secret strategy you could deploy right away to start making this amount monthly. If you are interested, follow each step in this video and take action. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel for more valuable videos like this. Now, let's dive right into the video. The first step is to come to Instagram.com and create an Instagram account, okay? And the Instagram account you're going to create has to be a niche specific account. When I say niche specific, I mean you have to target one area. You might target cats, you might target dogs, you might target sports, you might it has to be something specific, okay? Then, for example, I'm using cats for this video, okay? So we create an Instagram account in the cat niche, okay? Just like we have here, this person here, cats.cuties, okay, has over 172,000 followers. So he has created an Instagram account in the cat niche. You can see all the posts here are all related to cats, okay? So this is the first step. Create an Instagram account that is niche specific, okay? If you don't know how to create an Instagram account, it's very simple. Go to Google Play Store, download the Instagram app. Download their app and try signing in, okay, or signing up. And then you have an Instagram account, and then upload a profile picture and do other setup. If you want to know how to do this in details, you can go to YouTube and search how to create an Instagram account, okay? So once you've done this, then you have done the first step. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go on to the next step. In this step, what we're going to do is to grow this Instagram account, okay? But before we start growing this Instagram account, we need to make this Instagram account look real. Not just look real, make it real, so that when somebody follows us, he will know that this is a real Instagram account, an active Instagram account. And for us to do this, we need a bunch of tools, okay? I'm going to be showing you a bunch of tools to be able to do this, okay? Because we need followers. We need followers, okay? Just follow me. I will show you where I'm going with this process, and you're going to be really impressed because this can make you hundreds of dollars, okay? Now, to grow this Instagram account, there are two basic ways you can do this. You can do this using a free method, and you can also do it using a paid method. So I'll first start by showing you the free way of growing your Instagram account fast. Now, we have an Instagram account. First, before we even start getting followers, okay, we need to make sure that this Instagram account is active. And how we do that is we can post make posts on this Instagram account. We can post videos related to cats. We can post videos pictures related to cats. And how do you do this? You can come to this website here, pixabay.com. This is a website where you can download videos, you can download pictures related to whatever you want, okay? If I need images related to cats, all I just need to do is to type it in here and search it. If I need videos, I can click that drop down, and then you're going to show me videos. I can download videos related to cats, okay? So this is one place you can get pictures and videos, okay, to post on your Instagram account to make it active, okay? Another website is downloadgram.com. This is a website that helps you download Instagram photo, Instagram videos, and whatever. All you just need to do is you see an Instagram picture that you want to re-upload on your channel. You can just paste the link to whatever you want to download and then download it, okay? So this is the second website you can use. Let me show you another website you can use to get videos, pictures, posts, okay, to make your Instagram account active before we now start looking for followers. Now, this is the third website, which is canva.com. You can use canva.com to create Instagram posts, okay? Create very fine Instagram posts related to your niche, okay? And you post them on your Instagram account, okay? This, when somebody goes to your Instagram account, he will know that this Instagram account is active, okay, and the person will be interested in following you, okay. So if you want to make post, use this Canva. I have a video on how to learn on how to design with Canva, okay. If you want to watch that video, I will leave the link to that video in the description below this video. Make sure you watch it. It's going to show you how to learn designing with Canva, okay. Basically, if you want to make an Instagram post, all you need to do is to come to where it says templates. You're going to see a lot of templates here. You can see where it says Instagram post here. So you click that, you're going to see a lot of post Instagram templates you could use to make post on Instagram, okay. So this is it. These are the tools and apps, okay. This is also an app you can download on Play Store and install on your mobile phone and use for this, okay guys. So now let's get back to getting followers very quickly. Now you are on Instagram, okay, so want to get followers on this Instagram account. All you're going to do is to come to this search bar here and search something related to your niche. For example, we want to search we are in the in the cat niche, so I can search hashtag cat, okay. If I search that, if I search that hashtag cats, okay, you can see it shows me all the posts here with this hashtag, okay. You can see a lot of posts here. They are all posts in the cat niche, okay. So basically what I'm going to do is let's say I like this one here. I'll click that post and then it shows me this post, and then I can click this profile here to visit the account. So now I'm on this account, okay. You can see the post that brought us to this account, okay. All I need to do is to click where it says followers. That way I'll be able to see all the people following this account. Now the secret here is this: if these people are following this account that is in the cat niche, that means they love cats, they are interested in cats. So all I'm going to do is to click here and follow them, okay. So if I follow like 100 people here every day, you are definitely going to get like maybe 20 people following you back, okay. So that's the strategy, you get it. So you basically look for hashtags in your niche, follow followers of those specific accounts, and then you do this like up to a week or 2 weeks, you're going to get over 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 followers, guys. So this is the free way of doing this. You do it daily, okay, but you make sure you don't just keep going and going. Maybe you follow 100 people today, tomorrow you follow another 100 people, the next day you follow another 100 people, okay. And that's how you get it. Before you know it, in 1 to 2 weeks you'll be able to grow your Instagram account to up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or even more, doing it the free way, okay. Now the paid way of doing this is to come to this website, shoutcat.com. This is a website where you pay influencers to promote your account or promote whatever you are doing online, okay. So you could pay these influencers here. We have a lot of social media influencers here. This guy charge $195, $125, $150. You can see $10. Somebody charging $22 here. Somebody charging $25. All these guys charge to promote your Instagram account. So all you're going to do is come to this website, okay, hire an influencer here, okay, to promote your Instagram account, okay. Once your Instagram account is promoted, you're gonna have a lot of people following you, but make sure you find somebody that is in your niche, okay. So you don't get an influencer that is in the sport niche to promote your Instagram account that is in the cat's niche. It doesn't work like that, okay. You have to find, and of course when you come here, you see where it says browse influencers. Of course you need to create an account here to access all necessary things you need to, okay. You create an account and then you see all the necessary search filter options so that you get the right influencers to be able to promote, okay. So you might be able to use spend like $20 or $30 to get Instagram followers, okay. There are a lot of other methods, okay, for growing your Instagram account. I mean, paid methods, okay. There are websites, a lot of websites out there that claim to send you real Instagram followers when you buy. I wouldn't advise you do that because most of them are fraudulent. So I would just advise you use either shortcut.com or use influencercat.com. Okay, that's a second website, influencercat.com. Okay, so once you've done this and you've grown your, of course, using this plus the free method, before you know it, you get your account to a reasonable following in no time. And once you've done this, then the next thing is to move on to the next step so that you see why we've been doing this. I'll be showing you all this. Now, the next and last step in this video is to come to socialtrader.com. Now the whole thing will make sense. What is socialtrader.com? This is a platform where you can sell Instagram accounts. Okay, you see how I showed you how you can create an Instagram account, a niche specific Instagram account. I showed you how you can make that account active. Okay, and I've shown you how you can make it active and how to get followers, both the free and paid way. And now I'm showing you where you can sell the Instagram account. So this is basically what this video is all about. Okay, creating an Instagram account in a certain niche, grow it to a specific number of following, and then you sell it. So now you can turn this to a business. You can create like 10 different Instagram accounts, and using these techniques I've shown you in this video, you might be able to grow them to reasonable following in 1 month, and then you put all of them for sale, and then you'll be able to make thousands of dollars. Believe me, this is possible. Now, how do I know? Look at this Instagram account here. This is an account in the cats niche. I was showing you this thing on cats. Look at this here. Love cats. It has 3,100 followers. Okay, this person wants to sell it for $130. You can get 3,000 followers on an Instagram account in 1 month. Now, if you are business minded, you can have up to 10 different Instagram accounts, and then follow these techniques I showed you on each of these Instagram accounts, and maybe spend a few dollars, maybe $50, $20, okay, using the paid methods, okay. And then before you know it, at the end of the month, you can have up to 10 Instagram accounts. You've been able to grow beyond 3,000 followers on each, and then you put them out there for sale. This one is selling for $180, though this one is in the gaming niche. $130. Just think about it, how much $130 can make for you. Imagine $130 in 10 places. That's $1,300 in 1 month. You can do this, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Guys are doing it, okay? And then if you have a lot of patience, you might want to delay selling it. Okay, this is 17,000 followers. This person is selling for $360. The more following you have, the more money you will make selling these Instagram accounts. Okay, guys, so this is the method in today's video. If you love what I've shown you in this video, why not give this video a thumbs up, share it among your friends. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those questions in the comment section below this video. If you don't like what I showed in this video, why not comment in this comment section? Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what I should have done to have improved the video or to have impressed you. Okay, guys, so this is it. It's your guy Ken. It's Brigzel Bees signing out.